200 liters solution contains 40% alcohol. How much alcohol should be added to make it 50% alcohol solution? This is a typical question that appears in virtually all the aptitude examinations, and the right way of solving this question is to have a table of content. So earlier, total, alcohol, and water are our three columns. Total is 200 liters of solution, out of which 40% is alcohol, and rest is therefore water. So total is 200. Alcohol is 40% of that, and therefore 80, and rest water. Therefore is 120. So 200, 80, and 120. Now later, some amount of alcohol is being added. If we assume that X liters of alcohol is added, 80 would become 80 plus X. And remember, total would also become 200 plus X. So alcohol increases, but the total volume also increases. Nothing changes with water. So later, total would be 200 plus X. Alcohol would be 80 plus X, and water remains 120. Now the amount of alcohol added is to make this solution 50% alcohol solution. Therefore 80 plus X out of 200 plus X should be 50%. Solve it for X. We get X equals 40. A smarter way of doing this can be that if alcohol is 50%, imagine water would also be 50%, and therefore 120 is 50%. Therefore total volume is 240. 200 became 240, and therefore the amount of alcohol added was 240 minus 200 equals 40 liters. Let's attempt a similar question. Please pause the video, solve it yourself. So earlier, 500 liters of solution which had 40% alcohol. So total alcohol, water, 500. Alcohol is 40% of 500. That is 200. And water is remaining 300. How much water should be added? So this time alcohol is not being added, water is being added, to reduce the concentration from 40% to 30%. We assume that X liters of water is added. So water will become 300 plus X. Alcohol will remain 200, and total will become 500 plus X. So later, total 500 plus X, alcohol remains 200, water 300 plus X. Now this part is 30%. So 200 divided by 500 plus X equals 0.3 or 30%. We solve it. The logic I have applied here is that if 200 is 30%, then 200 divided by 0.3 equals total, which is 500 plus X. Solve it for X. We get X equals 166.67, or 500 divided by 3. This was the concept, friends. GMAT shots are deliberately kept brief. For an elaborate explanation, please watch the Stage 1 conceptual videos in our program. Thanks for watching.